How to save videos from Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can save videos from Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to save your videos from Facebook, first let us discuss if it is possible or not. Now, downloading a video from Facebook, such as maybe Facebook Watch or anything, is only possible if the creator have allowed it. So if I go to Facebook Watch over here, I just select a specific video over here, right? You can see it. If here I tap the gear icon, there is no option to download. If I tap the three dots option over here, you can see this option called save this video. But this saving is not really downloading, it's just saving so that you can watch later on. Now there are other ways where you can simply copy the link and maybe just go to Internet Download Manager and do that, but I'm not going to do that process here because there are high chances of YouTube flagging down this video. If you'd like to do that, you can go ahead and then try it out yourself as well. So hope this video helped to clear the confusion. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.